Are you tired of wasting countless hours on Instagram and LinkedIn just to find a handful of influencer emails or potential clients? The old ways are dead. Today, on the Desire channel, I'm introducing a tool that acts like a secret weapon. Lessie AI isn't just a search engine, it's an intelligent AI agent that hunts, filters, verifies, and even writes your collaboration proposals for you. If you're looking to scale your business, this video is exactly what you need. Stick with me until the end, we're about to change the game. Alright friends, this is the Lessie AI homepage. As you can see, it features a very minimalist and sleek design. Right here on the main landing page, it beautifully demonstrates the precise and categorized results you get when you perform a search. There's an overview of everything this site offers, which we are going to explore in full detail in this video. Having introduced many platforms before, I find this site to be a truly fresh and different experience, and I'm certain it will be incredibly useful for many of you. To get started, click Start for free from the top menu. This opens a page where you can sign in with your Google account or personal email. As always, I'll go with Google for a faster setup. Once logged in, we enter the main dashboard. The environment is clean and chat-based, similar to other advanced AIs, but with a major twist: this is a smart, agentic system. At the bottom, you'll find examples of requests you can make. For instance, you could search for influencers in North America, Gen Z creators, or even YouTubers who review AI tools just like me. You can also hunt for clients, investors, SEO experts, or business partners. It provides templates on what to write, but for our deep dive, let's try a real-world scenario. Imagine I own a sportswear brand and I'm looking for fitness influencers on YouTube and Instagram. I'll simply type, find fitness influencers in the UK on Instagram and YouTube with 50k to 200k followers who talk about healthy lifestyle. The real power of Lessie lies right here. No need to struggle with complex and tedious filters, just tell it what you want in simple English. Look. The system has started thinking. It intelligently recognized that it needs to scan Instagram and YouTube and is currently extracting keywords. It takes less than 30 seconds to generate the results in a neat spreadsheet format. Let's wait a moment. Incredible. Look at these results. Truly phenomenal. In this section, you can see the follower counts are exactly within the range I requested: 86k, 108k, 100k, 112k. Everything is organized and professional. It even labels the platforms showing which is Instagram and which is YouTube. I asked for fitness, and as you can see, their content is perfectly relevant. On the left, it lists each name, and they are all from the UK, just as I specified. The system even gathered their X, Twitter, and TikTok accounts. If you scroll to the right, you'll see more details, their gender and specific niche tags. On the far right, it shows their activity status, whether they've been active in the last 14, 30, or 90 days. For example, the second profile, which was active 14 days ago, is Melissa Neal. Or Lavina Meta's profile, active within 30 days. See how beautifully it brings all the data together. You get a bio summary, audience demographics by age and country, and even view counts for TikTok and YouTube. You can even preview their latest Instagram posts right here. To verify the data, I'll click the Instagram icon, and it takes me directly to the trainer's page. Absolutely perfect. It's exactly who we were looking for. Even their YouTube and TikTok links are correctly listed and open without any errors. Back to the Lessie site. From here, you can save individuals to your personal list. Let's check someone else, for instance, Ryan, who has 77k followers. You can see his activity summary and latest posts. Or Ben Bray's profile, clicking here reveals his email. Since some might prefer privacy, I'll skip the actual display for now. Another fantastic feature is the ability to export this entire sheet to Google Sheets or Excel. But here's the most exciting part, the email section. With one click, you can send emails to this entire list. For example, out of the 80 people found, 67 have verified emails extracted by the system. You can even instruct the agent to remove those without emails from your list. Let's test it. Click on Email Compose. This costs 3 credits to reveal and send. Here's the true magic. Click on AI Compose. Just tell it what you want. I'll type, write a collaboration email. And boom. It quickly generates a formal, polite, and personalized email for that specific person. You can add your logo or website link, and you're done. Regarding costs, the system gives you free credits to start, but for larger operations, it has paid plans. But wait, it gets even better. Regarding the pricing, the $34 per month plan has an incredible value. You actually get a total of 1,000 credits with this plan. That's 500 base credits plus a 500 credit bonus, which is perfect for running large-scale campaigns. And here is a special surprise for the Desire community. I've secured an exclusive discount code just for you. Use the code DE25 at checkout to get an extra 25% off your plan. This is a massive opportunity to access the full power of this AI for even less. The left menu houses your full dashboard, sent emails, saved lists, and tasks. As I mentioned at the beginning, to get free credits, you can use my referral code in the description. You get 100 credits for every invite. I'd love for you to share your own referral codes in the comments so everyone can benefit. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope this look at Lessie AI helps you propel your business and projects forward at the speed of light. Remember, today's world belongs to those who master smart tools first. If you enjoy this type of content and want to stay ahead of the curve with the world's latest technologies, make sure to subscribe to Desire and hit that notification bell. Your likes give me the energy to create even more amazing content for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I respond to every single one. Until next time, stay creative and keep pushing forward. Goodbye.